How to install Microsoft 365 for free. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start the auto-sync in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your internet is working properly. Then head to the Play Store. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. If you are using iOS device, open up your App Store and simply repeat the same process. Now tap on the source bar. Now type Microsoft 365. Now once you're done, simply tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Microsoft 365. Now tap on install. Now wait for the application to be installed. Now while it's downloading, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Now after downloading, simply wait. Now after downloading, simply tap on open. Now wait for some time. Now click on sign in. Now sign in into your account and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.